For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a Tiffin business, delivering home-cooked meals to working professionals, students, or busy families is an affordable, scalable way to earn income while meeting a consistent market need. With the help of free AI tools, you can accelerate planning, streamline operations, and grow your customer base, all without paying for expensive consultants or software. Here's a step-by-step guide to launching a successful Tiffin business using AI. Step 1. Define your business concept. Before anything else, define what type of Tiffin business you want to run. Will you focus on vegetarian, vegan, regional cuisines, or healthy meals? AI can help you refine this concept. Use ChatGPT to clarify your offering. Prompt example: act as a food business expert. Help me define a profitable Tiffin business concept for working professionals in your city, including cuisine type, portion sizes, and pricing strategy. You can also use Google Trends to check what meal preferences or cuisines are gaining popularity in your target location. Visit trends.google.com and search keywords like home food delivery, healthy lunch, or Tiffin service plus your city name. Step 2. Research your target market. Once you have a clear concept, research your ideal customer. You need to understand their preferences, income level, meal timing, and taste. Use ChatGPT to generate customer personas. Prompt example: create 3 detailed customer personas for a Tiffin business targeting college students, office workers, and elderly people in an urban Indian city. Include lifestyle, preferences, and price sensitivity. Additionally, try using Perplexity.ai to quickly gather market data from credible sources. Ask something like, what are the eating habits and lunch preferences of office workers in Mumbai? Step 3. Create a business plan. Your business plan doesn't have to be complex, but it should cover your mission, menu offerings, pricing, marketing, operations, and finances. ChatGPT can generate a plan structure tailored to your vision. Prompt example: create a business plan for a vegetarian Tiffin service in city, offering lunch and dinner priced affordably for office workers. Include sections like executive summary, target market, competition, pricing, and daily operations. You can also ask ChatGPT to calculate a basic break-even analysis using simple formulas based on your costs and expected sales volume. Step 4. Design a menu and nutrition plan. The menu is your product. It needs to be appealing, nutritious, and suitable for regular consumption. You can use free tools like NutriCalc, basic version, or ChatGPT for balanced meal suggestions. Prompt example for ChatGPT: suggest a 5-day vegetarian Tiffin menu plan with balanced carbs, protein, and fats. Each meal should cost under $2 to prepare and should include common Indian dishes. You can ask for variations based on customer types too. Modify the above menu for diabetic customers. Step 5. Branding and logo creation. Even a small Tiffin business needs a memorable name and visual identity. Use Loca, limited free version, Canva, free, or Microsoft Designer to create a logo and brand visuals. For name ideas, try ChatGPT. Prompt example: suggest 10 catchy and brandable names for a home-cooked Tiffin delivery service targeting professionals in city. Include Hindi-English hybrid names too. For a slogan, try: create a tagline for a healthy and affordable Tiffin service focused on home-style meals. Step 6. Legal setup and hygiene certifications. Check local food business regulations. In India, for example, you need FSSAI registration. You can use ChatGPT to make a checklist. Prompt example: list the legal steps and licenses needed to start a small-scale, home-based Tiffin service in state or country. Include any food safety certifications. Use ChatGPT to create templates for client agreements, delivery terms, and refund policies if needed. Step 7. Set up the kitchen and delivery plan. Decide if you will cook yourself or hire help. You'll need utensils, containers, and safe packaging. For deliveries, you can handle them yourself, hire a delivery person, or partner with local delivery apps. ChatGPT prompt: create a checklist of kitchen equipment, packaging materials, and delivery tools needed for a small Tiffin business serving 50 meals daily. Ask for storage tips too. How can I safely store and transport hot Indian meals to avoid spoilage for 3 hours? Step 8. Marketing and customer acquisition. Use free AI tools to create marketing materials and strategy. Canva can design flyers, Instagram posts, and WhatsApp menus. ChatGPT can write marketing copy. Prompt example: write a short WhatsApp message to introduce my new Tiffin business and offer a free trial lunch. Another one: create a 1-week Instagram content plan for a new Tiffin business focused on healthy homemade meals. To rank in Google search, try using ChatGPT to write a basic blog or website content. Write a homepage for a Tiffin service called Your Business Name that delivers fresh homemade meals in city. Emphasize affordability and quality. Step 9. Use AI to manage orders and customer feedback. Use Google Forms to take orders. You can integrate it with Google Sheets and use ChatGPT to analyze trends. Prompt example: summarize and categorize customer feedback from this sheet. Suggest changes to the menu and delivery schedule based on common complaints. You can also ask: create an automated reply template for order confirmations, late delivery notices, and customer appreciation messages. Step 10. Optimize and scale. Once you're running, use AI to help optimize. Ask ChatGPT for growth ideas, or 5 low-cost ways to scale a home-based Tiffin business with a loyal customer base of 50 clients. You can also run basic pricing tests using spreadsheets. Ask ChatGPT: how do I calculate the impact of a 10% price increase on my profits if I lose 15% of my customers? For expanding into corporate catering or diet-based meal plans, write a pitch to offer customized Tiffin packages to small offices with 10 to 50 employees. Conclusion: starting a Tiffin business no longer requires deep pockets or a full team. With the right mix of free AI tools and strategic effort, you can plan, launch, and grow your Tiffin service efficiently. AI handles everything from business planning to branding to customer insights, helping you focus on what matters most: delivering good food and great service. Stay consistent, listen to your customers, and let AI lighten your load while you build a business with real heart and flavor. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.